What is up people, and welcome back to my channel. It is a good day to ride today, and I thought why not make a video. Here goes. Back in 2016 when I had got my Levo, I decided that I wanted to tour on it, and the only luggage options that I thought was feasible was a tank and a tail bag. I looked up a few tank bags that were feasible, and I think at that time there was Rhinox and Viaterra, and I decided to go with the Viaterra Magnetic tank bag, which can also be converted into a tail bag. And here is my 3-year ownership review of this magnetic tank bag. I also have a non-magnetic DSLR tail bag, which I will be reviewing soon, but not right now. As of now, it is just this one. And the reason I have not put the magnets on the bag today is because I don't want the tank to get scratches, which is why as of now I am not using the magnet. This bag has been extremely sturdy, and it has not disappointed even once. If you are considering to buy a magnetic tank bag, eyes closed, you can go for the Viaterra Fly tank bag. Second reason is the accessibility. It has this pouch. This is the old version. The new version comes with a huge transparent plastic where you can keep your phone and your power bank, so your GPS needs are sorted. Honestly, during rains, this is the best part about the bag, where during rains, as I cannot have it on the phone holder, I can just slip it inside this and put a polythene and navigate. This bag also comes with a rain cover, and I'm using the same rain cover that came 3 years ago. The material they use on the bag is something very that I personally liked a lot. The reason being, it does not let things inside the bag get heated up because of the sun. Now, excluding this plastic because it is exposed, the things that are inside the bag do not actually get hot. Overall, my experience has been really great with the bag. It has been through a couple of falls. One thing to note is that if you're buying a magnetic tank bag and you happen to be in a crash, this bag is going to fly off. If this flies off, yes, it will be difficult to find it, but at least your things will be safe away from the bike if it's in a crash, and you will be able to recover most of them. Considering the price point this bag comes in at around 3,500. I'm not very sure because I bought it 3 years ago. I think it's obvious that I would not know. बट हाँ, अगर मुझे किसी ने पूछा कि कौन सा टैंक बैग खरीदूँ मैं, अगर मुझे किसी ने पूछा कि राइनॉक्स या वायाटेरा या आई थिंक राइडा का भी आता है, आई विल डेफिनेटली टेल देम कि बॉस, ये जो वायाटेरा का टैंक बैग है मैं 3 साल से यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, और ये अभी तक मुझे कोई इश्यूज़ या प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं दे रहा है. अगर आपके पास नॉन मैग्नेटिक टैंक है तो go for the non-magnetic one, because anyways the magnetic one is priced more. ज़्यादा महंगा है वो, और वो कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं देगा क्योंकि आपके पास मैग्नेटिक टैंक तो नहीं है. आपके पास रेयर रैक है जो मैग्नेटिक है, तो आप वो डेफिनेटली यूज़ कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू आर कम्यूटिंग डेली एंड योर कम्यूट आवर्स आर मोर देन हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स, आई डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड कि आप टेल बैग ख़रीद लीजिए या फिर ये टैंक बैग ख़रीद लीजिए, क्योंकि 3500 रुपीज़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट है सिर्फ, और आपको 4-5 साल तो ईज़िली चल जाएगी ये बैग. और वायाटेरा डैमेज बैग्स को, अगर आपके बैग में कोई स्क्रैच है या कुछ इशू है, तो वायाटेरा डेफिनेटली विल हेल्प यू. जब मैं बैग के बारे में पढ़ रहा था तभी मैंने देखा कि वो लोग ये सर्विस भी ऑफर करते हैं. एंड ये वाज मुंबई. 3 years ago, 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 मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस वाले कैमरा में मेमोरी कार्ड डालना मैं भूल गया हूँ, तो हम एक बार कंफर्म करेंगे। और इसका माउंटिंग सिस्टम बहुत ज़्यादा इजी है। ये यहाँ पे रस्सी से लग जाता है इधर, यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे जो है वो 2 क्लैम्प्स है जिससे ये यहाँ पे लग जाता है। अभी द थिंग इज़ नाउ कि बाइक टिल्ट हुई है इसलिए इशू आ रहा है, क्योंकि वो बैलेंस उस तरफ जा रहा है, उस तरफ है। तो हाँ, टेल पे जब माउंट करते हैं तो सेम ये दोनों सेम माउंटिंग पॉइंट्स इधर साइड पे टेल पे लगेंगे, और वो जो पीछे का है वो यहाँ से, हाँ, वो यहाँ से आके साइड में लग जाते हैं। सो you can definitely go and purchase this bag. I'll leave the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week. At least I try to. That's about it, guys. Keep the rubber side down. Until next time. Okay, bye bye.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all